Hi, what's up, XRP holder? What's going on this time? XRP condition is very critical now. So therefore, my friend, I am going to explain to what's going up in an upcoming days. The huge pump is coming soon. So really, my friend, this video is very important for all of you. In this video, I will predicate this coin to in upcoming time. The huge pump is coming soon or the huge dump is coming soon. So first of all, my friends, please subscribe this channel, and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you have subscribed our YouTube channel. My brother, first of all, as you can see here, this time the change occurring, definitely it's gone positive, but in last 12 hours just and only. So it's been reference to this is temporary pump. Absolutely, after a short pump, absolutely they were fails down. So don't worry, my friend, in upcoming time there is a 80 to 90% chance, my friend, to XRP will pump up, because the CEO, my friends, personally tweet this now to in upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, if they were starting collaboration, so remember, my brothers, to the market cap is increasing very high, and definitely when a market cap is increasing, so absolutely, my friends, the price will pumps up. So therefore, I am 100% showing you in upcoming time XRP price will increase now. But don't worry, my friend, if they were also decrease now, then don't worry, because my brother, in upcoming last 10 days, just only, my friends, yesterday, I hope, my friends, to they will pumps up absolutely, my friend, when a coin holders are starting holding, when a coin holder are starting, my friend, investing more and more, then of course, my brother, price will be pumping up. And my brother, this month is very good from all coins, because in the start of this month every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I'm really impressed, and I can't expect this from any coin, my friend, but it's priority from all coin to absolutely they will moving upward. All right, guys, so we will discuss about the next my friend. I told you already, to there it's 80%, 80 to 9% chance so they will pumps up, but it's also chance so they will fails down, because remember, when a short-term investor starting selling, then remember, remember, so they were very badly fails down. So therefore, please try to understand, holders, you will need to be active if you want to get a profit. Thanks for watching, holders. Please like video and subscribe channel.